Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I want to do a quick walkthrough on our fresh trade-in. It's a 2018 Nautique GS22, and while this is a coastal edition, the boat has been used only on fresh water throughout its life. Owner just upgraded to a new GS22, so obviously I love the brand and the model to keep with it. This boat's very nicely equipped. You can see we've got our pop-up ski pylon that's optional there, so you can actually use it for slalom. Although this boat does offer surfing as well. Wet sound speakers up top. Storage for your boards and surfboards. Brand new bimini we just had replaced up top with surf pockets. We've got a full bow filler cushion up front. Air dam on the walkthrough to close it all off for those cooler days. Lots of cup holders throughout. And this boat's only got 328 hours on it. You can see here at the helm we've got the Nautique awareness cam as well as full controls for all of our systems. If you guys have any other questions, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thank you.